Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. You're either with us or we're taking your money on every trade. Today is Friday, April 23rd, 2010, and we have another free alert for you today. The ticker symbol is BOH, Bank of Hawaii Corporation. The stock is overbought the slow stotch and extremely extended from major support. You'll roll this down so you guys can see that. There's your major support is at 41.60, and we've rallied here to 53.53. I'd be a shorter right there at 53.53 or higher. You'd have to use a 10% stop on this guy simply because the market's doing that push higher, push higher, push higher. It's had like 5 consecutive up days in a row. That's a lot. It's above average. We are looking for a pullback in the market. You simply just can't go solidly up all the time. And the more updates it has, the more likely you're going to have a major selling day coming up. So again, we definitely want to be shorting this guy at this point, but because the market could press higher before it does make that pullback, you've got to use a generous stop on that. You can't just use today's high or something like that. We've been watching this stock for a while, hesitant to go ahead and recommend a short on it because we wanted to see just how far she'd go before it was a good short entry point. And one of the items to look for, let me get the right tool right quick, is this when you've had strong volume behind it. Now the volume is picked up substantially, but it's at the peak. It's at the top of it, so I don't trust that. And in fact, I'm willing to bet they were just selling their stock to somebody else. But in any event, there's the best way to trade this is not get in when the volume is really strong like that. Wait for it to tick back down, okay? And we've got that now. The next item I look for is a down tick in the histogram. Let me go ahead and make sure I've got that shown for everybody. There you go. Okay, you see this histogram is up bar, higher, 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 and then today she was down. Even though price was up, she was down. That tells you the momentum is decreasing. So right there is where I use my my opportunity to just go ahead and enter that guy. So that would be my short recommendation for Monday. Where would you stop the guy out? Well, that's a good question, and there's different ways you can do this. If it's in my portfolio, I tell you when I get out exactly, to the price penny, as well as when I do it. But if it's not, and this one isn't, you have to use your own analysis. And what easy way to do it is just look for the exit, look to buy to cover when next time she hits this dotted green line right here. This little line right here is your middle Bollinger Band line. It's going to keep moving higher each day, and when the price actually comes down and touches that, you can exit right there. Another method to use, if you don't like that one, I'll give you another one. Next time she touches the 20 line, right here. See, when she came down here, cover when you see that. Just wait for the next one. Very little simple, okay? That's our call on that. Remember our disclaimer, though. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities, etc., etc. If you lose money, man, it's your fault, okay? That's basically the gist of that. I'm just here to help. This weekend, I want everybody to go to our website. If you're not a full access member, it's free. You go there, you sign up, you walk in there, see what's in my portfolio, gain access to our small cap alerts. We're doing really awesome there, and we've got a new one coming out this weekend, so you don't want to miss that. Also, excuse me, also, all we ask in return is that you tell one friend about our website. Simply tell somebody, go check out PerfectStockAlert.com. These guys are pretty cool. They're a little crazy, but pretty cool. All right. Also, I need you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. That's how you really promote us, and that's how we get better known and more followers, etc., etc. And the better we're doing on the business front, the more opportunities we have to serve our members, the more things that we can provide, etc., etc. Okay. So it's a win-win. Basically, it doesn't cost anybody anything. So definitely, tell everybody about our services. And right now, before we go into this weekend, I just want to thank everybody who has been taking our videos and posting them on Facebook and MySpace and Twitter, etc. That means a lot to us, and you're really helping us and showing your support, and we appreciate that. Also, if you have a stock you want us to look at for you, post a comment to this video, man. Don't be shy. No one's going to laugh at you. Doesn't matter what it is, okay? God bless and enjoy the weekend.